Place the device stably. Connect the water pump to the host. Install the water inlet and outlet pipes. Connect the water pump to the host. Turn on the power switch and emergency stop switch. The device enters standby mode. Return the equipment spindle to the final position. Turn on the lights. Secure the workpiece in the jaws in the cutting chamber. Clamp the specimen. Select the corresponding cutting speed. Press the auto speed setting button. Set the speed to 0.02 mm per second. Press the manual auto button. The button is in the pop-up state. The following is the automatic mode. Turn the cutting chamber table hand wheel. Place the specimen close to the cutting blade, but do not let the cutting disc touch the workpiece. Align the water tap with the cutting workpiece. Turn on the water tap. Close the hatch. Press the start button. Motor start. The sample will be automatically cut at this time. Cooling system automatically starts. Cooling the sample. Cutting the sample completed. Cutting motor stops cutting. At this time, the stepper motor starts. Automatically returns to the starting position. Turn the workbench handwheel in the opposite direction. Open the hatch. Remove the sample. Cutting completed.